Hey, my Glow Gang. Want to boost microneedling results without spending a fortune? Today, I'm counting down my 5 top budget-friendly serums that supercharge hydration, healing, and glow post-microneedling. These are mostly available on Amazon with some extra goodies thrown in. So stick with me for my #1 pick and a bonus pro hack.
I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight.
And with that said, let's do the disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1. Allowance is made for the fair use of purpose such as criticism, co-news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and entertainment purposes to help other women and men. There is an attack on true, helpful information from genuine sources. Please help me combat this attack by sharing this video with as many of your friends as possible. I apologize that every video needs to include this disclaimer as my videos are marked for adults. Unfortunately, this is our current landscape, and I appreciate your understanding and support. #5, the Costa Baja Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This affordable serum is found on Amazon, and this is why it works. It has 10,000 ppr of pure hyaluronic acid, which locks in moisture, helps needles glide, and plumps skin fast. Reddit users say that Costa Baja hyaluronic acid is popular, medical grade, and safe for microneedling. This was one of the first microneedling serums I ever worked with 10 years ago, and it's still a cult favorite. Make sure to get the 4-ounce bottle. It has a pump in it, which makes it much easier while you're microneedling than the dropper. And you're going to go through this stuff. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment below. Tell me which serum you've used or you're excited about trying. #4 is going to be the Costa Baja Snail Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this has snail mucin mixed in with hyaluronic acid, and it has this like slippery, mucousy texture. It has a great price point, and it works because the snail mucin plus the hyaluronic acid boosts healing, calms inflammation, and supports barrier repair. This is ideal for redness post-microneedling skin because the snail mucin's peptides and niacinamide help smooth and brighten skin. #3, the Easy Do Rederma Master Ampoule. Also found on Amazon, the Easy Do Rederma Master Ampoule works because it contains EGF, which is epidermal growth factors, ceramides, glutathione, and niacinamide. Perfect for accelerating regeneration and calming post-treatment skin. And I have used this for nearly 10 years as well. This was one of my go-to original serums for microneedling, and I still use it. In a box, you get 14 of these ampoules. And they're great because, you know, once you snap this neck and empty the product into your hand, it's sterile. It's been sealed so it's effective, and you're gonna love using it. Plus, they're great for traveling because they're small. #2, this is the Easy Do EX DW EGF Derma Ampoule. Yes, it's a tongue twister. And this is why it works. It has high DW EGF concentration, which boosts cell turnover and collagen, clinically shown to reduce pigmentation up to 60%. This product is perfect for fading dark spots after microneedling. And the shine and the glow is so amazing on this. You have to see it on. You have to experience it. It feels so good. Every time I use it, I'm just like blown away. Like, why is this product so amazing? I'm sure you guys want to know what #1 is. And make sure to check out my microneedling video from last week. If you didn't catch it, I did an ultimate guide on Dr. Pens and microneedling devices that I have that I've used over 10 years and which ones I like and which ones I recommend. And of course, it's linked here somewhere. Okay, #1 is my Kurinx Glow and Shine. You guys, I've been sharing about this a lot this year. I just love this product. A box contains 5 milliliter vials. Great for lots of treatment. This is an amazing rejuvenating serum that I love microneedling with. I use it in my scalp and in my face because it features PDRN, which is derived from salmon DNA. It also has peptides and glutathione that's going to make you glow and brighten your skin. It enhances skin elasticity, brightens and induces collagen. And this product is amazing for microneedling and recovery. I also use this product for mesotherapy, and you can check that out in my app. Make sure to check out the blog linked below for sourcing this product and the deals on it. Here's a bonus pro tip. Before microneedling, I like to do a bubble mask. If you've never experienced a carboxy mask or a CO2 mask before microneedling, you should try it out. It's really great before microneedling because it brings blood circulation up to the skin, and so you get a more impactful, efficient microneedling session. And the serums absorb in faster and go to work quicker. And I have a video linked here using the carboxy mask concept. I had to jump in here really quick because I was editing and I was checking all these products that I think you would love, and not all of them are available anymore. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry. I've used these products for a really long time. I have a stockpile of them. I just assume they're always available, and I have just not gone through them fast enough. First, the Costa Baja Snail Mucin. This is no longer available. And also, when I was on Amazon, I was noticing I did not see these big sizes anymore. So if you see these big sizes, snag them because this is the size you want. And this one is no longer available. But don't fear, because the Costa Snail Mucin is also available, and I've used it interchangeably. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in this house. I can't find it. So I just ordered a new one on Amazon. I'm sure when that one arrives, I'll put it next to the original one that I couldn't find this morning. But this is a great dupe for the Costa Baja Snail Mucin, so try it out. Costa also has my favorite Snail Mucin sheet mask, so check that one out. You're gonna love it. And then this DW EGF serum from Easy Do is no longer available either. It appears that they've replaced it with this one-day ampoule, which appears to have a lot of the same ingredients that the original DW EGF had. They come in little needleless syringes like this. I want to make sure that it's abundantly clear that all the products that I'm sharing with you are products that I have put on my face and microneedled into my skin. The only product that I've actually put into a insulin syringe and injected in my face is the Kurinx Glow and Shine. And I do those injections inside the app. But all the products that I shared with you can be microneedled into your skin, and of course are used for aftercare, so they're great. Don't worry, we've updated the links in the blog so that you can find these products easily, and the blog is found in the description below. I truly hope this video helped give you inspiration and insight into microneedling serums, and you're able to use a great one on your next session. Curious about the Kurinx Glow Serum or the Carboxy Bubble Mask? Make sure to check out the blog below for all the products I use. Keep glowing, my friends, and I'll see you on the next video.
I know people think I like pain, but I really actually don't. I'm a huge believer in the epidural. Burning. It's burning. I knew that like area around my cheeks up in there, oh, that burns. That area burns. Okay, I can't do all this stuff. I don't think I want to put any more on my face. That's enough.
Bottles on ice, mess around these skates.